People were stunned when a peregrine falcon went after a bald eagle 3 times its size. The bald eagle, America's national bird and the king of the skies, appeared over the falcon's territory, and the peregrine's eyes lit up. When the eagle tried to snatch it with a mid-air roll and razor-sharp talon, the falcon's 100 km/h attack speed was just too fast to catch. Zipping and darting around unpredictably, the peregrine had the eagle on edge, forcing it to retreat to a tree. But the falcon wasn't done. It folded its wings and dove at 390 km/h straight toward the eagle. All the bald eagle could do was scream in protest before finally backing off. The peregrine truly lives up to its inspiration for the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the ultimate aerial fighter.